Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Andrew Travis and today's Venus.
Hi.
Hi. And today we're making a video, and we got two new wrestlers, and show them and we have Ricochet Series 109, and we open him up. This one Austin picked, right?
Yes.
This is on his knee pad. I don't know if you can see it. One and only on one of his knee pads. Oh, this is hard. Ricochet. Right there, and on the back, a nice design. And yeah, we still have to do this thing. What?
Awesome.
So we have. I couldn't find the scissors. We have this Sarah. I really wanted this figure. I'm not sure if you can take the jacket off or not. But yeah, and let's get I don't think you can. Let's get the hands out. I think there's 4 hands yet. 4 hands. You want to do the video?
I just said Ricochet.
Well, we still have to do Viscera. You didn't know that? You silly Jason. Oops. Oops. 2 hands.
I think that's what I'm like. 1250s. The double A's.
Now let's get
I bought the high bird and some double A's. So it's my thing. Andrew ain't got nothing
this
to
belt
track.
I really like.
I got $4
The hardcore broken winged eagle belt. I really like this one. Oh, you need help?
Yes, ma'am. And the admin building? No.
Can I put Ricochet now?
Yeah?
Okay.
Is that the big loud buzzers?
No, it's like the cricket one. Do you hear it? Hold on.
Yeah. Let me, alright, I need to call somebody and get them there, see what's going on.
Do you want me to do anything, Wendy? And I'm about to leave.
Ricochet was
Hey, do you,
Callie,
do you know where that panel is behind the front desk?
Look at
The
the
big black
belt.
box?
Yes.
If you open that up and hit acknowledge and silence, it says like right under the screen, acknowledge and silence, it may stop it.
Well, what if something's on fire?
Then it won't stop it. If it was on fire, if it was on fire, the water would be coming out.
I'll do that, and I'll text them if it doesn't work.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
The hardcore. Just sure. Hardcore, and that would be it for today. With all the hands. Hardcore championship belt. And
Hey, all the fire alarm's going off at the admin building.
The admin building?
Yeah.
So yeah, bye.